Craving the aromatic flavors and rich traditions of Lebanese cuisine? 100 Lebanese Recipes is your authentic culinary passport, bringing the vibrant tastes of the Middle East right to your kitchen. This app offers a curated collection of 100 traditional Lebanese dishes, often including mezes, main courses, and desserts, with clear instructions and ingredient lists. It's fantastic for home cooks eager to explore Middle Eastern flavors, master classic recipes, or add variety to their meal rotation. Users praise its authentic recipes and user-friendly interface. However, common bad experiences might include the upfront purchase cost, if it's a paid app, or occasional ads and free versions. Some users also report a desire for more advanced features like built-in shopping lists, nutritional information, or video tutorials for complex techniques. What's your thought?